1024.
Out 6.
40 East at Morgan. Temporary tag. It's on a red Chevrolet passenger car.
Hey, 21 right, 1024.
Out 21.
630 East, taking Chester Street to a Union Sam Adam Nora Frank I Robert USANFIR. The gray Charger.
931.
Speed 40 East, past Morgan. Speeds about 100. Light traffic.
932.
Eastbound, speeds about 120, light traffic.
CMS comments headed. CMS comments headed.
6 on Rock, we're approaching the White Oak exit. Some 3 lane, speeds about 110. Passing the White Oak exit. Approaching 430. Speeds about 120, 125. Light traffic.
Approaching 430, speeds 120, 125, light traffic.
Change. Pursuit.
Taking 430 south, 430 south and 40.
430 south and 40.
I'm just south of River Bridge. I'm going to set up the bike.
10-4, I'm going to try to hit here by Mayflower.
CMS comments headed.
Alright, we're still southbound. I was trying to get a bit there, approaching the Mayflower exit.
10-4, copy, you're approaching the Mayflower exit.
Alright, we're passing the Mayflower exit, speeds about 120, 125.
10-4, copy, you're passing Mayflower, speeds 120, 125.
CMS comments headed.
Who had the spike set up?
14, I'm south of River Bridge on the hill.
Okay, we're coming across the bridge now. We're in the slow lane, switching from the slow lane to the fast lane. Speeds about 120, 130.
Unit 821, join call. CMS comments headed.
Out 15.
now, approaching Ronnie Pier.
10-4, copy southbound, approaching the
Proceed as
Ronnie
comments headed.
Responding unit 95, you're going to be on the right shoulder.
Proceed as comments headed.
Okay, we're approaching Rodney Pier. Speed still 120, 130. Lots, no traffic. Number 2 to number 3 lane.
10-4, copy approaching Ronnie Pier.
Alright, behind me.
Okay, we're past Rodney Pier.
Proceed as comments headed.
Copy passing Ronnie Pier.
Coming up on 630.
10-4, 42, you're going to be the next closest unit.
Jump 1.
Proceed as
Okay, looks like we may take 630. Nope, we stayed on 430. 430 passing 630.
10-4, copy southbound, 430 passing 230.
Unity 49 join call. Proceed as comments headed. Proceed as comments headed.
Come on, around 25. 14 Rock, I'm going to be secondary, I'll call it. For 430, southbound passing 5.
10-4, copy 430 southbound passing 5.
Okay, I think he's losing his front right tire.
Copy, he's losing his front right tire.
TVI 5.
10-4, copy TVI is at 5 at 9:39.
Marshall.
Adam 14, copy back in control.
TVI.
714, copy TVI 939.
See your hand! Let me see your hand! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Watch it.
Window down!
One minute, Sergeant, 10 minutes.
Hands up! Got a large dog in her back seat as well.
You're good.
Come out the window! Come out the window! Hands up out the window! I'll back up.
Proceed as comments headed.
Anything you can tell anybody else?
You got pockets on here?
Also,
Appreciate it.
control for a large pack.
Hey, 47, Rocky 98.
That's good.
Adam 47.
Everybody good?
Sure.
I guess that's what she's worried about, is the dog.
The dog looks fine.
Yeah.
Well, it's not wearing its seatbelt. That's the problem.
Is that what it was? I don't know who. Somebody may have got the spikes on the front right. I don't know. They blew out. So I don't know who threw them. Somebody already run that?
I did.
Okay. You got a wrecker coming?
Yeah, and I got animal control coming.
Okay. All right.
I'm going back to get my spikes. They're back here on the shoulder.
You may have got that front right tire. I don't know.
That might have been what
It
got
blew
it.
out, so.
Okay. I'm going to go back and get them real quick.
All right, appreciate it. Yeah, who? 14, I guess, was the only other one, right? And whoever threw the spike.
Did you catch your video?
Do what?
Catch your video?
Yeah. Oops. I think Booth's already got one coming.
So what do you want me to do?
I guess we get the road opened up.
That's why I was going to ask if you need anything from us so we can start clearing this road.
No, we're good. I appreciate it.
Also, I have that middle lane still to...
Yeah, we'll keep these two. We can keep some of those flowing.
I was sitting right at military, and I didn't know, I wanted to stay there in case you kept coming.
Yeah, you can.
I played catch up the whole time.
That's all right. It worked out. You doing all right? Do what?
You want to take her back to Faulkner?
It started Faulkner? Yeah, it started. Well, I was going to stop because of infraction in Faulkner County, and then we ended up here, so.
Big coughed up.
I'm telling you.
I got a whole bag of it.
She's in my back seat.
I may have to let the dog bite. Otherwise,
No, he didn't. I'll reach in there and pet him, so he's good.
if the animal control not here, I'll put him in my back car, tow truck, get it, and I'll wait for control.
Okay. All right. Appreciate it, guys. Are you going to work? Who's going to? I don't know if does anybody have any damage?
One
I don't have any damage.
back there, they might have hit the tire. I ran over the tire. That tire came off, I saw something flying across the road, so I'm about to stop with the rims on it.
Yeah.
Where's Lloyd? Dude, he can work too.
That front tire, I think the spikes may have got it. I don't know.
You don't have to,
No, as long as nobody has any damage, we'll be good.
You said?
Nobody has any damage?
You said she missed him? You're not sure that she may have gotten that passenger side with the spikes?
I don't think that.
He went back up. Oh, it's a girl?
Yeah. She said her dog was having an emergency and needed to get her dog somewhere. But,
Well, I am a medic, and that dog looks fine.
he looks pretty good. He licked my hand, so he's pretty gentle.
Pretty good.
He's saying he's good to go. Where was she hoping to go? Yeah, Lloyd's going to work a wreck if we need him to.
As long as our units don't have any damage, we'll be good. So.
We'll just make Lloyd do it just to do it. Yeah. What? Oh, it's a running joke in post 2. He's got to work all of our wrecks. Yeah. I'll always take his.
No. Yeah, that'll work. We're past that point.
Well, I was trying to get her rescued.
Trying to get her rescued? From what?
I had somebody taking care of her, and they didn't feed her or anything. And I was trying to find an emergency vet to take her to. I can't find one.
Have you been drinking or using drugs or anything?
I'm for real.
You don't have a driver's license either.
I was in a hurry. I wanted to take care of her. I just got back from going to Memphis with my family, and I had paid somebody to take care of her, and I was trying to find an emergency vet to take her to.
What's this capital murder charge that you have?
That's not my charge. I'm a witness.
You're a witness?
Yes, they have me testifying in January.